All right, an important tip for the bird of paradise. When we're setting up, we want to make sure that the pole is in this region of our body and doesn't slide down to our thigh. If it slides down to the thigh, it's going to cheat or I shouldn't say cheat, it's going to limit our twist and our ability to get the leg to the back of the shoulder for the extension. So I'm going to walk through this really slowly. This is going to be from an outside leg hang entry. So I'm going to invert. Hook my outside knee. First step, make sure you do a pull up here so that the pole doesn't line up on the long side of your body up and down. We want it almost like perpendicular to our body, right? So it's beneath my rib cage, above my hip bone. I need to keep it in that spot. So pull up, arch back, drop this leg back as you go back. Keep this leg really strong right now. This inside arm, I want to squeeze onto the pole so I can keep it there as I grab up above my head and twist. All right, so see how it's my hip bone's kind of locking it in. Don't let it roll up and over your hip bone. From here, this leg is going to press down towards the floor, externally rotate. Keep this part of your body away from the pole if you can, so that you're not fighting your skin friction. Bend the knee, grab your heel, pull the heel back towards your shoulder. Okay, then you can work the extension. You can grab here and find your setup. Okay. Hopefully that helps some of you that are finding it difficult to get the twist and or get that leg circled around to the back of your shoulder.